Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open images as layers in Photoshop. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first guys, you want to come here top left, you want to click on File right here, and you're going to see this drop down menu. You're going to go all the way down here to Scripts, okay? And the scripts, you're going to select this second last option, Load File into Stack, okay? Now here you can either upload individual files, or a whole folder. I'm just going to upload individual files. I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to browse for the images I want to add. I want to add this image and this image. So you just select the images you want to add. Just Control and click. Okay, Control and click. Left click both the images and click on OK. And now you're going to see the image names right here. Okay, these are okay for me. I'm going to press on OK, and it's basically going to start loading the images into Photoshop as layers. Okay, here we go. It's doing its thing. Photoshop is doing its thing right now. It is setting up the layers. Here you go, guys. You can see if I press this I button right here, it's going to hide this image. And if I press this one here, it's going to unhide this image as well. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So this video, and I can drag this image wherever I want like this. As you can see, it's now a layer. So guys, if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can actually see you guys in the next video.